Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit table border in Apple number sheet. Open Apple number sheet and I will edit this table border. Click on this table and press Ctrl select whole table or click right button and select all cells. Now click table format option and select here table cell option and here you will find this table border option. You can select all border. First let's change table border color. I like this border color. Also you can increase border size or decrease. And this border is 10. You can add dash border, dotted border and see this. And this one dash border. Also you can change the border is type. Red border. See this. Dotted border and increase. I'll choose line border color and border color is this one. And also I will find this outside border color. First I decrease this border size and I will select outside border and change outside border color. This is this color and increase and see this only outside border color says and other border color even same. I will increase this inside border color and this border color shows this one. I will increase and see this and outside border color remain same. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.